Here, Robbie the Packard looking at Lesney Matchbox cars. Here's from the 50s, 60s. Here we got, that's from 59, I believe, or the 60s. We got the Etzel tanker. Movie van. Yeah, refreshment canteen with gray plastic wheels. This is rough. It's missing the fenders, which is a variation. Not sure if this is the mini one. Let me know in the comments. Mini tow truck. Here is refreshment canteen with silver plastic wheels. I don't know which one's rare between the wheels, but let me know in the comments. This is from 1954. This is Play Please cigarettes. There's some junk. There's a garbage truck thing. Sweeper, I guess. This is a military vehicle. I don't know what it's called, but this is from 1954 or 57. I'm sorry, 57. Here's the Road Roller from 1953. This is 70-something years old. This one's near mint. I haven't had another one, but it's in fair condition. This is near mint. Looks good for 1953, right? Then we got this car. Gray plastic. Wait, what is it? Yeah, gray plastic wheels. This is broken. That's missing a man. Blue circle, Portland, cement. This car here has silver plastic wheels. I think it's common with silver plastic wheels. The gray plastic wheels is rare. And I don't have that one. Look at this mini-sized car made out of die-cast metal. Minor micro machines. The size of it. These are tied in 1955. This came out, I believe. This one's a little tough to get, gray plastic wheels, but it's like fair shape. It's tough to get too. Volkswagens are hot. For you Volkswagen collectors out there. Here's this one. Here's the Land Rover 1955 Mini. Pretty cool, right? Singer van. Silver plastic wheels. I think that one's rare. Other cars as well. The Thunderbirds, I have the silver plastic wheel and the gray plastic wheel. I don't know which one's rare. Let me know in the comments. And this case is brand new with the tag. You can see here the tag's right here. This case is rare. I believe it's rare. But and then we got mostly black plastic wheel. Here we got the Volkswagen van for 1967. I believe this one came out in 1965. different cars. I can't go through all of these, sorry, but we're running out of time. There's all the different cars, black plastic wheels somewhere. Some not. This one's rare. The black plastic wheels. It's like maybe fair shape. I think this one's desirable with this color. Let me know in the comments if you know it's desirable. Red plastic wheels. Or Zodiac. Here we got a military or army water tanker. This is from the 60s, this case. Loaded up with 60s Matchbox. Well, hope you all enjoy watching me. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.